Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu, but from the home menu we have to go into the profile menu. We tap on the little icon. Here we have to find the settings button. In the profile menu, we tap on settings, and after we tap on settings, we scroll down a little bit and find the language button. We tap on language, and then we can select English or the language of the region that we are using the app from. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.